Hello all, today I will show my HDA what I made. It is Blast by Attribute, and for example I have this grid plane and have name attribute. I connect to my node, here it shows up, and then press blast, and then it separates to the two flows what is made by attribute. Then for example I have this sphere and I can blast it as well, and I have class attribute and it's automatically detects what kind of primitive attribute it is. I have primitive class, blast it, and then it separates it to each class what is made by attribute. It works as well with the points. I have this made with point attribute, gradient, and it's have mask attribute, and blast it, and then it's separated to the 5 groups. We can see it. And now let's try with the test toys. Oh, forget, add class attribute, connectivity, point primitive, and select the class attribute, blast it. And our mesh is separated by the meshes by connectivity. And let's try with the Craig. It as well have shop attribute and name attribute, but probably for that we will use name attribute and blast it. And it looks very big for each element what Craig have. But yeah, it is my HDA node blast by attribute. Thank you.